as a surety, which the council for the appeals person informed this honorable court that they were being taught of their duties as a surety. But to me, he may fail to discharge. Is it duty? Me and friend may not be able to trace the appeals person event that this person runs to the village. How will you trace the appeals person? He may fail. That's a friend in the city. He will fail. So on that ground also, and for the interest of justice, it's my humble prayer that this bail is denied, the matter is fixed for hearing, and is handled expeditiously, and his faith is determined. If he is found innocent, finds guilty, the faith is determined. I so pray also.
Can you briefly rejoin your worship? We have not contradicted the prosecution as regards whether the inquiries are complete. What we have stated, your worship, is that we are uncertain as regards when the trial will commence. We are also uncertain as regards when this matter will be concluded. Why should he be kept in jail when there is a possibility of him being found to be innocent? And indeed he pleaded not guilty. Joseph, my lovely sister for the prosecution has submitted to the effect that there is contradiction as regards the residence of the applicant before you. But there is a requirement under the bail guidelines that every applicant should have an introduction letter as regards to his residence. The framers of those directions were aware that the prosecution normally indicates on the charge sheet the residence of the accused person. Why would it be required again for one to have an introduction letter? The accused person is at liberty to contradict the findings of the prosecution. Your worship, on the court record, there is a letter by the local council authority confirming the residence of the accused person. And that residence is within your jurisdiction, your worship. Being Lusaka village in Machine Division, Kampala. Had we cited the information in the charge sheet, my sister would have objected, saying that they have not produced an introduction letter from local council authority. The information on the charge sheet, Your Worship, is a subject of scrutiny by this court. And that will come at trial, Your Worship. And that is information from the prosecution, not the accused person. Your Worship, the prosecution has as well confirmed that our client is a resident of Machini. When she raised an objection against the mayor, Ali, being the surety, one of the sureties, saying that he will contradict his interest in regard to the complainant and the accused person, since both are his residents in Machini division. Worship, is that a clear indication that the accused person is a resident of Machini? As regards the mayor having a challenge of contradicting interest, Your Worship, not cited a connection between the mayor and the case before you. Is not one of the witnesses or potential witnesses. And Your Worship, the accused person is still innocent. There is presumption of innocence which he enjoys. Should the mayor be judgmental at this stage that this person is likely to be found guilty at this stage? My land sister is stretching beyond the limits. I invite you to reject that objection. Lastly, Your Worship, my land sister for the prosecution has stated that a friend being a surety, that he may not execute the duty. That is speculative, your worship. There is no proof in that regard, your worship. He's saying he's likely, he may not, but that is speculative, your worship. And your worship, a court should not rely much baseless objection to deny the accused person bail. Where the law does not define the relationship, which kind of relationship that must exist for one to be a substantial surety. In our practice, your worship, friends have been standing as sureties for accused persons. In that regard, your worship, I invite you to ignore and reject the objections raised by my land sister, the prosecution, grant bail to our client on lenient conditions. Yes, we agree that a bail is not automatic, but your worship, the constitutional commandments are clear that when the needful has been done, including presenting substantial sureties, as we have done here, court may exercise its discretionary powers and grant bail. We pray that you invoke your powers as provided for under Section 76 of the Magistrate Courts Act and grant that bail. We so pray, your worship.
Your phones are interfering with what I'm doing.
Okay, your pardon, Your Worship.
The phones are interfering with what I am doing. Please manage your phones. Everyone here has a phone, including myself. Sweetie, then you may sit. Please sit. Then you may sit.
Let us have some silence.